She smiled, said everything was fine, and never spoke to you again. Or worse, she waited, and when the moment was right, she destroyed you with grace. Some zodiac signs are like that. They don't forgive, they don't forget, they calculate. In this video, we're diving into the 3 zodiac signs you should never mess with. Not because they're loud, but because they know exactly how to hit where it hurts. Some don't just get mad, they get even. Let's begin. Number 3, Virgo, the precision assassin. Virgos see everything. The details you overlooked, the subtle ways you let them down, they noticed. They won't explode. They'll analyze, plan, wait, and when they strike, it's surgical. Their words cut like cold steel. Not with rage, but with reason. And the worst part? You won't be able to argue, because they're right. Number 2, Scorpio, the master of psychological warfare. No one holds a grudge like a Scorpio. They don't need to yell, they disappear and study you from the shadows. By the time they come back, they've mapped your weaknesses. They know what scares you. They know where to press and when. Scorpio doesn't just get even, they restructure your reality without you even realizing it. Number 1, Cancer, the emotional time bomb. Cancers feel everything, every betrayal, every sharp word, every silence. At first they cry, withdraw, but when the storm builds, it's unstoppable. Their rage isn't loud, it's tidal, and when it hits, it sweeps away everything. A wounded Cancer doesn't just defend, they drown. So were you on this list? Or did someone instantly come to mind? If this video hit close to home, like, subscribe, and stay close. Because this isn't the only darkness written in the stars. Oh, and check the description. 2 free gifts are waiting for you. See you next time, and until then, keep looking to the stars.